Welcome to Brooklyn Park in Northside, Richmond. This is one of my favorite neighborhoods. Just behind me is Brooklyn Park Boulevard, the main commercial thoroughfare through the neighborhood. Brooklyn Park is a residential neighborhood made up of homes primarily built in the 1920s and 30s. Most of them are colonials and American four squares. Today I'm going to share with you 4 of my favorite Brooklyn Park spots. Welcome to the Smoky Mug. This is one of Northside's favorite coffee shops and restaurants, located here in Brooklyn Park, along Brooklyn Park Boulevard, close to all sorts of other bars and restaurants and eateries as well. Great coffee and an amazing Sunday brunch. Get the brisket. Welcome to Ruby Scoops here in Brooklyn Park, one of my favorite ice cream shops on the north side. It opened in 2020 as an amazing assortment of flavors. I got the split, which is 6 different flavors for under $10 on Fridays. Definitely check it out. Welcome to Battery Park, the 3rd stop on our tour of Brooklyn Park. It's a huge municipal park that has a pool, tennis courts, gazebo, kids playgrounds, and a ton of green space. By the way, it also has basketball courts. Welcome to Table Brewing, great local brewery located here just south of the Brooklyn Park neighborhood. Amazing selection of local beers. I'm trying the Penny Whip. Really good ESB. If you get a chance and you're in Brooklyn Park, stop by and have a beer. Thanks for taking this tour of Brooklyn Park, one of Richmond's greatest Northside neighborhoods with me, Dan Tully. If you're thinking about buying or selling Brooklyn Park, I'd love to help you out. Call me.